Okay, let's look at the homework 1.3, 1.4, number 15. Alright, so function f of x is given. It's a rational function, 1 over x plus 9. Then we want to find this difference quotient. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so using the function notation, we can rewrite this guy as, alright, so f of x plus delta x. So every time you see x, we're going to put x plus delta x in it. So it's going to be simply 1 over, alright, now I'll see x, so you put x plus delta x, right? Then you have plus 9, right, minus, right, f of x is exactly the same as the given function, so it's 1 over x plus 9, right? Then on the bottom there's delta x, so delta x, right? Right, what we want to do is we want to combine these two terms on top by taking the common denominator, because those are two fractions, right? So the easiest way to get the common denominator is to just multiply the denominators together. So the common denominator of those two guys would be simply quantity x plus delta x plus 9 times quantity x plus 9, right? Right, so for the first fraction, so you multiply the denominator by quantity x plus 9, we have to multiply the numerator by x plus 9. So 1 times x plus 9 is x plus 9, right? That's pretty easy, right? Then you have to subtract, right? For the second fraction, we multiply the denominator by quantity x plus delta x plus 9. So we're going to multiply the top by the same thing so that we don't change the quantity. So you have a x plus delta x plus 9. Alright. Then we can cancel a few terms. You can see that there is x here minus x, so cancel out. Here's 9 minus 9, cancel out. Alright, so what's left is going to be here, you have negative delta x. Right? Maybe I'll write that out first here. You have negative delta x on top. Alright, then you have x plus delta x plus 9 times quantity x plus 9. Right? Then you're dividing the whole thing by delta x. Dividing by delta x is the same thing as the multiplying the denominator by delta x. So I'm going to just put the delta x right here. Alright? But you see a common factor on top. Here's delta x, and here's delta x. So you can cancel those out. Right? So that'll leave a 1 on top with the negative sign. Right, so therefore what you get is going to be, right, so it's going to be negative 1 over quantity x plus delta x plus 9 times quantity x plus 9. Right, so let's go back and type it in, see if I get that correctly. Alright, let's see, open that up. Alright, so this is going to be, type in, so it's going to be a fraction there. So here, I'm going to put negative 1, alright, then, oops, here on the bottom, so it's a quantity x plus, alright, then delta x, so we have to get maybe a Greek letter, alright, so there should be, let's see, should be down here. Maybe open this up. Right, here's delta. Alright, so delta x plus 9. Right, then you have quantity x plus 9. Alright, so that's the answer. Let's try to check and submit for testing. Alright, so I'll be right back. Okay, it came back and yep, I was correct. Alright, so that's it. I hope that this was clear.